Hi, my name is Mike Kirsch. I'm the Director of International Sales at COMM-TEC Exertis, and we're here at the ISE 2020 in Amsterdam, showing, among of our other display solutions, the Barco UniSee wall. They're introducing now their new UniSee 500. UniSee was introduced 2 years ago, and it really took the LCD market by storm with its brand new unique mounting and installation system, as well as its real-time color and brightness calibration. These unique features ensure that each panel in the video wall is exactly aligned with the others, so that you have a perfect, seamless viewing experience. New this year is the UniSee 500, as I mentioned. It has a luminance of 500 nits for installation in environments where the ambient light can be controlled, so that a higher brightness of the screens is not required or not desired. Not only is this easier on the eyes, it also saves on energy, and it reduces the amount of radiant heat coming out from the panels. If you wish to know more about the UniSee, please do come by the COMM-TEC booth in hall number 2, and we'll be glad to give you an overview about all of the UniSee solutions from Barco. Alternatively, you can visit the Barco booth directly in hall number 12. Thank you.